Chiefs Pursuit Surplus, we have found our way to supply a need where agencies are waiting years at a time to get units. Budgets are steadily decreasing while the prices are constantly increasing. So with our selection of PPV vehicles that we have, from older body to late model units, any agency can find something within a reasonable budget. Having Feniex on board with us with our turnkey installs makes it that much easier for them to go ahead and do a full turnkey process as far as getting the vehicle, lights, and all the other equipment that would be necessary to get officers back to work. I have family that's in law enforcement, and having the proper equipment on scene whenever they're doing their jobs is huge, because that's their lives at stake. Whether they're on the highway and cars are going 80, 90 miles an hour, being seen at the last minute is always something that is essential and vital to their safety and well-being. We sell Feniex products primarily because they are one of the best in the industry. As far as brightness goes and functionalities, they have top-of-the-line stuff, and having it readily available is by far one of the biggest advantages in our line of work that helps us. Feniex Industries came out with their Quantum line products last year, and for us that actually helped us because we don't just serve law enforcement, we do security companies, construction companies, and EMS, and having the Quantum products with us has allowed us to sell to all of them universally. And even when they're done with their use for the vehicle, or whatever the case may be, whether they're upgrading, it doesn't just limit to them to keeping that product. They can program it and they can go from red and blue to blue and white. Not all municipalities run red and blue. Some agencies, they run all blue, some do blue and white. And if they want to sell to a security company, they can change it to amber and blue, or whatever the case may be. So having that function to be programmed for almost anything has been one of the hugest things that's helped us sell more turnkey vehicles. We'll continue to work with Feniex for years to come because their customer service is by far, that's what separates them from everybody else. It's the people that are behind that makes you just want to venture back to them. And I think that's why our partnership is going to continue to flourish.